Divine Road. Make a left turn on Divine Road.
Smart. Guys, today I'm just showing you close video. I've got egg boats. Although I would do separate unboxing, I just wanted a short clip to have of this moment when I unbox the boats in kitchen and can't wait how they look. So this is how they look here in the sun. So nice, look. They were on sale in Egg Closet and they have zip too. They sold out, by the way. Hello. Here's me. It's now 7:30 and I'm cooking dinner. Late. Because I came back from that walk. I did potatoes. And I was starting cooking. I did salt. I will make pork chops too. Here we are. I made it. So here is how I do pork chops. So I have 3 plates. Here was flour, this one. Here is with 2 eggs I added. And here is the breadcrumbs. I use this one, it says Italian style breadcrumbs. And I also have here meat. And I have to cut in half because these are too thick for me. So I will cut it. So I have pork chop here. I put it in flour and make like this. So he gets like flour all around. Then I put an egg all around. Rotate it to have all pieces white. Then I put the breadcrumbs to make all parts that are white. Covered in breadcrumbs, both sides, like this, and we have it ready to put on pan. I have 2, so I made some space, and I put this one. And those 2 also would have to be changed, flipped. Then again, another one. This one is thinner because I cut it in half. And other I didn't, I think. Then in eggs. And breadcrumbs. Now I have to rotate my fork. Wanna see? Hope you can see. I remove fade down. Nice cool. I also have this thingy. I cover it like that to make it stick better to the pan. And here I'm cooking the potato. So they will be cooked in a few minutes. Others I can have the potatoes, corn. So we will have corn this way. Two are done, so I'm removing them. They are done. This one also. This one needs to be flipped. It's okay. I add new one here. The pan. And I pour another one in the 3 things combo. I put it in the flour first. I also put salt to put on the meat. Then I put in egg. Oh, we'll have 6 because one was looking like a little bad meat piece, so I throw it. But we have to buy a new one. New meat. And then I will maybe next week cook it and prepare. I had some breadcrumbs because it seems like not enough. This one has a weird shape, as you can see, because it wasn't easy to cut. This one must be done. On one side. This is how we cook. Yeah. See? Last I need to make either soup. afterwards.